Hi, let's make a Ford unboxing. This is from eBay from Brazil, and I will initialize with this package. Let's get it and initialize. I have no idea what it is on here. Okay, let's get it into it and see what we get. Okay, this is for R11 and R12 and R45. Okay, this is R45. Okay, and let's see what we get here. It's pliers, mini pliers 4-point. 3 pieces. Let's see what we get. Okay, this is for my application. I have a distinct, right, CR2450. Okay, 3 volts. And I think that's all for this package. Okay, here is what I've got here. Mini pliers. Okay, let's. Okay, now let's get another package. This package. Let's open it up. Where is the opening? Okay, right here. Okay, this is International Post. What do we get inside in this package? Okay, let's see. Oh, right, this is for my Lego experiment. This one is hard to find. It's offset, modular offset. I don't know if you can see it. It's RJ12 6-piece connectors, and this is connectors for Lego. Okay, this is very important to have in your package. Let's see this one. This package is from Brazil, right here. Let's open it up right here. Okay, sorry. Okay, all right, let's see what we get there. Okay, we have one more. Okay, I think there is no more. Let's get it. Okay, let's see what I've got here. It's sorry about that. It's servo, and the important thing about the servo is this one is metal, and I think it's best to get it metal here. And for your project, this is MG90S micro servo. Okay, I've got two of them, and this is for the servo for a pen tilt. Okay, pen tilt for the servo. This is a GF102. It's a potentiometer. This is a signal for a semaphore for experiment in Arduino. Let's see what we got inside here. Okay, this one, it's important. It's only three LEDs that you can make some experiment for kids. Okay, it's a semaphore. This one is, let me open it up too. Okay, this is, sorry, G102. It's let me see if I yes, this is PAM8403 PAM0403 chip, and you see that I've got a volume control, sort of like this, and I've got some experiment in Arduino too. This is a submersible motors, okay, for experiment in Arduino too. Okay, let's see what I've got. And the last one is this for a I don't know, this I have this, okay, support I will got to you. Okay, let's see another package. This one, the last one. Okay, let's see what I've got here. I have to make advertising here because somebody paid it for me. Sorry. Okay, this is for Lego. Let me see if I got some. Okay, somebody. That's all. Okay, what I've got here. This is a Lego. For Lego, 10 meters of good one, and I have six wires for Lego, and this is what I've got, a RJ11, but this one does not fits for Lego. And this is for RJ11, RJ12, RJ45. Okay, this is RJ45. Okay, I think that's all for now. Let me And I think that's all. Thank you very much. All right.